Hi, greetings, good morning dear friends, greetings, good morning, and how are you today? Well, if you are, as we always say, feeling stressed, overwhelmed, thinking, oh my god, it's Saturday morning, and I remember when my girls were younger, Saturday mornings were kind of busy, what with dance classes, acting classes, Kumon classes, household shopping, housework. Good morning Kelly, Saturdays are always kind of busy, so if you're feeling a bit kind of like, oh my gosh, how am I going to get through my Saturday? Take a moment right now as you're watching this video just to literally set your intention that no matter what goes on down today, and whether the children are playing up or you're kind of like thinking, oh my God, I haven't got enough money to buy the groceries, or you're thinking you've got a report to write for work or something to do for business, set the intention that no, whenever you feel your mind racing, whenever you feel yourself racing to the kitchen to get a snack, or you pick up your phone to scroll through Facebook or Instagram or something, whenever you notice that you're doing something in a hurry, maybe you knock something down or you trip up or you just forget, or you go and get something from the fridge and you just have a blank, oh my God, what am I doing? Take that moment right then just to pause, to really breathe in, and when you breathe in, let your shoulders travel up towards your ears and just breathe out. And again, breathe in, shoulders up, squeeze the shoulders up, and exhale them down and breathe out. So sometimes all we need is just like a little break. We just need to break that circuit to get off that sort of hamster wheel, regain your focus and regain your calm. So remember, when you feel yourself rushing, things spiraling out of control, all you need to do is to pause, press the pause button, literally, pretend it's like Netflix. You press the pause button, get up, it's always good to stand up, breathe in, and let your shoulders float up, all the way up to your ears, scrunch them tight, breathe in, hold the breath, exhale, and let the shoulders go down. Awesome. Do that a couple of times and you'll instantly regain your focus and reset your mind. So dear friends, I'm off, I'm down Peckham, got a client in about 20 minutes, so I just thought I'd pop on and say hi. Have a great day, and I'll see you again same time-ish next week. Take care. Well done Kelly for all you're doing, marvellous to see. Excellent, keep flying dear heart. Take care dear friends, bye now, pause.